These days, everyone seems to be talking about AI, but I would actually argue that people are getting so distracted by it, they're missing out on what's right in front of their face. In fact, I recently came across 4 lazy ways to make money online that have absolutely nothing to do with AI. Instead, what you're going to do is put in some work up front to get these businesses up and running, and then they're going to be automated and running for you. So I'm going to reveal all 4 of them for you right now, so be sure to catch all of them if you're looking to change your life. So first up, we have an online business that has actually made me a lot of money over the past 8 years, even though I barely spend any time working on it anymore. And I'm talking, of course, about my dropshipping system. Now, if you're not familiar with dropshipping, this is when you sell products online, but you actually have a supplier who ships the items to your customers for you. What this means is that you don't have to pay for any inventory until after someone has already bought it from you already. So you're basically acting as a middleman here, and you make a profit by selling the item for more than you buy it for. Now, the key with this, if you really want to be successful, is you don't just want to build one dropshipping store, you want to build an entire dropshipping system that will allow you to dropship the same product onto multiple different websites like eBay, Shopify, and TikTok. So this is how I built out my own dropshipping system. So first, I use this software called Zeek Analytics to help me find the best, most profitable, winning products to dropship into my own stores. And what I love about this is that this actually tells you exactly what products you should be selling. So right when I log in right here, it gives me this trending eBay products section that shows me popular items that I can dropship from Amazon onto eBay. And it'll tell me exactly how much profit I'll make. So for instance, this item right here has sold 3 times on eBay in the past week, and it has a $16 profit when you dropship from Amazon. And in fact, I can click right here, and that would bring me right to the product on Amazon, so I can put it into my own store. Over here is another product that has sold 5 times in the past week for $11 profit, and here's another one that has sold 4 times for also $11 profit. All of these can be sourced from Amazon. So that's just one of the tools available to you here on Zeek Analytics. There's actually several different ways you can find products. So for instance, here on the left, it actually gives you trending eBay niches and will tell you what categories of products are the most popular. So we can see right here that clear packing tape is very popular. Also, gold chain bracelets for men are very popular. And if I were to click on this, that will actually scan that entire category and tell us which items in that category are the most profitable. So coming down here to the results, I can get an idea of what types of bracelets are doing well, how many have sold, and I can go ahead and source these from my own supplier, again, like Amazon in this example. Now, once I have some products I want to sell, I come over to this tool right here called AutoDS. And AutoDS is really the automation piece to my entire dropshipping store, because this will not only list items into my various dropshipping stores like on eBay, Facebook, TikTok, Shopify, all of those places, but it will also keep track of all the stock and price levels. So if the price changes on Amazon, if the item goes out of stock on Amazon, that will automatically be updated in my dropshipping stores for me. And the cool thing is that from one account, I can run all these stores on all these different platforms. So to add an item is just very simple. All I have to do is click up here where it says single product, paste in the URL, click this button, and then it will be live inside my eBay store or whatever other store I'm looking to sell in. And this works with a ton of different suppliers, from AliExpress and Home Depot to Walmart and Amazon, all the way to Shopify and Kohl's and Macy's. So it really provides just a huge variety of different places you can dropship from and onto. And the amazing thing is that once you get a sale that comes in, this software will actually automatically order it for you from Amazon and various other websites as well. So it really is hands off for you once you start to list items. Now, that was just a general overview of how dropshipping works. If you want help building your own dropshipping system, then you'll want to grab a copy of my Dropshipping Secrets ebook. And for a limited time after this video goes up, I'm making it available to you absolutely for free. All you have to do is click the first link in the description down below. You'll land on this page and you can enter in your email and I'll send you a copy of it totally free. Now, the next lazy way to make money online is really great if you find yourself with just short periods of time that you want to fill, maybe between different activities that you have going on in the day. And you just want to fill that time with a really simple, easy way to make money. And the way you can do that is something called microtasking. So there are these websites that will pay you to do these very simple, short tasks. And the more you do, the more money you make. So this is one of the websites. It's called cashstars.com. There is a wait list right now, but if you sign up, you'll get on the wait list. And then the sooner you get on the wait list, the sooner you can get approved. And the cool thing is that once you are approved, you can get paid for really simple stuff that you're probably doing anyway, like watching videos on YouTube, liking photos, referring people to different websites, playing music on Spotify, writing posts on Reddit, just all these little things that you can get paid for. In fact, you can get paid even just to play games. So you might as well sign up for it. And then when you have little bits of time here and there, just hop on, do one of these micro tasks, and you can get paid. Here's another service. It's called Rev.com. Rev.com on the front end allows you to upload an audio and then get a transcription of it. But on the back end, you can actually get paid to do these transcriptions yourself. But what really makes this lazy is that when you sign up for it and you become a freelancer for them, they will actually give you a transcript already of the audio recording, and you just got to go through and make sure it's correct. So a lot of the work is done for you ahead of time. You're just basically editing it and making sure it's right. And the last microtasking website I'll show you is called Toloka.ai. And on this, it's very similar to the first one, but you're going to be doing other stuff like outlining objects, searching for information, taking photos, or rating search results. And your job here is you're basically training AI. So you're not using the AI, but you are training the AI, but they do need humans to do that. And that would be your job when you come in here and actually work for Toloka. So there you go. 3 websites where you can do microtasking. All right, moving right along to lazy online business number 3. This is something you have probably heard of before, but I'm going to teach you a way to do it that's much, much lazier. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Now, traditionally, affiliate marketing required you to build your own website or a personal brand on YouTube, but these days, just about anyone can get started with affiliate marketing very easily thanks to the power of Amazon and TikTok. So if you've ever bought anything on Amazon, you may have noticed, of course, that there's plenty of product images usually, but there's also product videos. And you'll see at the top here are videos that are uploaded by the brand themselves, but then there are customer review videos. These customer review videos are recorded by affiliates. So what happens is if I watch this video and then I buy this product, which is a yoga mat, well, this person right here, this creator, this affiliate will make a commission because I watched their video and then bought the product. And you can do this as well. If you come over to affiliate-program.amazon.com, you can become an Amazon influencer. And what this will allow you to do is anytime you buy a product from Amazon, like this person bought a yoga mat, just take a quick video of it, upload it into the Amazon influencers area, and then it will be live on the product. If someone watches it and finds it helpful and actually buys the product, you'll make a commission. I have friends that are doing this, and they're making over $10,000 a month just by uploading these kind of fun videos where you're reviewing products. Another place you can do this is on TikTok. If you've ever looked on TikTok and you've looked at a video and it has a product in the video, you may have noticed at the bottom it says eligible for commission. So what happens if you watch this video and you click through and actually buy this product directly on TikTok, the creator who doesn't own the product, isn't even the one selling the product, but because they made the video and you click through and buy it, they make a commission for it. And you can do this as well as a TikTok influencer. So those are 2 places that just about anyone can get started making videos and becoming an influencer with affiliate marketing. All right, talk about a lazy way to make money online. Imagine you got hired to do a job and instead of doing it yourself, you paid someone else less money to do it for you. Well, that's exactly what you're going to do with something called drop servicing. With drop servicing, exactly the way I explained it, you're basically acting as a middleman, and instead of doing the work yourself, you outsource it to someone for less money. And Fiverr is a great place to turn for this. Because on Fiverr, you can find lots of people who are willing to do tasks and jobs for you for relatively inexpensive. And then you can go ahead and market these services for much higher. The key with this is you really want to provide some sort of value. So here on Fiverr, for instance, we have people who will write scripts for you for YouTube videos. And then we have other people who will make thumbnails for you for YouTube videos. And then finally, we have people who will edit YouTube videos for you. Well, you could find 3 great people on Fiverr, one who does editing, one who does thumbnails, and one who does scripts, and sort of package that all together. Then you can start emailing different YouTubers and say, hey, I provide a complete A to Z service for you. We will come up with video ideas, we will give you the script, we'll give you the thumbnails, and we'll even edit the videos for you. So you can charge probably twice what you're paying on Fiverr to have this entire bundle. And because you are the one doing the outreach, you can provide that additional value that people wouldn't get if they just come directly to Fiverr. Another great example where you'll see lots of people who are looking to have help with their business are real estate agents. So here I just search for real estate and we have people who can help you with virtual staging for your listings. So you can hire these people to make your listings look really nice if you're a real estate agent. But again, what you can do is you can reach out to local real estate agents in your community. A lot of them may not be the most tech savvy. They're not online. They don't know how to hire these people on Fiverr. And you can do this for them and provide them with some really, really great photos that they can use for their listings. And again, here's another one. These are SEO specialists. This is another great thing you can do. Reach out to businesses in your community and say, hey, I can help you with SEO. I can help you get ranked on Google. I can help you show up easy on Google Maps. And you hire these people on Fiverr to actually do the work for you. But where you're providing value is you're the one reaching out to the real estate agents. You are the ones reaching out to local businesses when the people on Fiverr aren't able to do that because they're not from your community. Now, before we end this video, I have one bonus for you. If you have made money online and you want your money to work for you, you really want to think about investing your money. You don't want it just sitting in a bank account, losing its value. Put it in the stock market or another investment where it'll actually grow over time and make you more money. So a really easy way to do that is with an app like Robinhood. I use this myself, and it kind of gamifies the entire investing process, makes it fun. And you also learn a lot about investing through the app as well. So if you want to sign up for Robinhood, I will leave a link to them underneath this video for you to check out and get signed up and start investing some of that hard-earned cash. So now you have no excuses. Even if you don't understand all this AI stuff, you can still make money online with one of the 5 methods I taught you in this video. Personally, I've done the best with dropshipping. So like I said before, if you want to learn how you can get started with your own lazy dropshipping store, make sure to download my free Dropshipping Secrets ebook at the first link down below. Enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.